2 of me recovering a tow truck. But I had to take the card off, as you saw in the part 1, because it was just weighing it down. And that's why when this goes back, I'm going to go get the tow truck and go get it. I do not know what that says. If you do know what it says, tell me in the comments. And I forgot to tell you in the last, please like and subscribe, share this video if you do. Because it really helped my channel, because I've only got 7 or 8 subscribers so far. Yeah, as you can tell, the truck, what I'm towing, needs a wash with all the mud. And it's got 3 wheels, but only one's touching the ground. As you can tell in that video picture. I've got a load of stuff I need to do. I'm doing on my farm right now. I've got trees cutting down, cutting grass, towing, putting out fires. Alexa, play. Sorry, I need to put my music on. Strongest emotions. After all the harm I've caused, you still want my loving. Did you see how clean that turn was, huh? Oh, baby, it's a shame. Oh, now time for the roundabout. When I'm the one to blame, I can't believe I still receive so much affection from your. No, I'm not doing that one just now. There will be a video of me doing fire, like me being in a fire engine, doing accidents, fires, cats getting stuck up in trees, and all that. I might do it tomorrow or next time. I haven't decided yet. I'll keep you posted, updated with shorts, what I do during the week. I will.
There will be a video of me doing the logging, what I've got going on. And cutting grass and picking up. And me transporting things back from it into it. Now we need to do this turn. And I have to climb this wee hill, and then I have to turn and turn again, then put this in a washing station. Part both in a washing station, one in one and one in the other. They can get washed.
We're in heaven.
Don't know why that van stopped.
Thinking about our younger years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me.
Need to go move this
Down
away.
that road before, that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need.
Stick that in.
Finally there in your heart. It isn't too hard.
There's 1, 2 washing stations for both two things can get washed.